Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Figma comments not showing issues in 2026. If comments are missing, not loading, or you can't see feedback from collaborators, this guide will help you solve the problem step by step. First, refresh your Figma file and wait a few moments for comments to load completely. Temporary loading issues can sometimes prevent comments from appearing. Next, make sure you're signed in to the correct Figma account. Comments may not be visible if you're accessing the file with a different account. Now check your file permissions. Some comments and collaboration features may be limited depending on your access level. Next, click the comments icon and verify that comment view is enabled. Sometimes comments are simply hidden from the current view. If the issue continues, check your internet connection and make sure it is stable. Figma requires an active connection to load collaboration data. Now clear your browser cache and cookies if you're using the web version of Figma. Corrupted browser data can interfere with comment loading. Next, try opening the file in a different browser or an incognito window to rule out browser-related problems. If you're using the Figma desktop application, make sure it is updated to the latest version available. Now temporarily disable browser extensions, VPN services, or proxy settings that may interfere with Figma's collaboration features. Finally, sign out of Figma, sign back in, and reopen the file to refresh your account session. And that's it. You've successfully fixed Figma comments not showing issues. Comments and collaboration feedback should now appear correctly in your design files. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.